Okie dokie, so let's show you an easier way to do charts. So you can do an ArcGIS, but I don't care what software you use, as long as it looks nice. Okay, main table. Make sure you're showing all these fields. Go into Analysis, Tools, Table to Excel, or just type in Excel. There we go, click this one here. Input table is your main table risk matrix. It'll create one. Seems to have put it under GIS assignment. Make sure you tick this, go run. Okay, it's running table to Excel. If you highlight this, you can actually click on this and it will open up your Excel table. So let's go back here. We need a chart, proportion of hectares in each risk categories. Okay. Why do they must add up to 100? That's for pie charts. Let's get rid of that. It's like doing surveys. You always think it's fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have our table. This is in Excel. Okay, make sure it's in Excel and it's Excel SX or whatever the stupid thing is. If you don't know, file, save a copy, make sure that's fine. Cancel. Go back. Okay, so what we have here is we have all of these. We don't really need, I should actually keep it. Highlight it. Dunk, like that. Left click, drag it on. Insert. This is the easiest way to do chart. Pivot table. I love pivot tables. New worksheet, existing worksheet. So we've got a whole lot of different things. What do we want here? Let's go back to it. We want proportion of lot area in each risk category. Appropriate chart type. So let's just do an ordinary chart. Let's just do, where's our risk text? Drag him to the row. Just going to make my Excel a bit smaller. Fit it in properly. Okay, there we go. We've got the row labels. First of all, with row labels, do the drop down arrow, untick blank. Okay, so we have high, very high. We don't necessarily want it in this order, but we can move it afterwards. And what we want to do is hectares. Sum of hectares, basically. So first of all, we can do proportion. Let's get rid of the value field settings. You write so value field settings, you do the drop down arrow, value field settings, number format. We can do percentage. Okay. And okay. And obviously that's incorrect. So how we will do it, we go into show values as. We need a percentage of the column total, I think. Perfect. Okay, so you can see there you have a beautiful thing. Sum of hectares is a percentage of the column total. Now what you can do is you can go pivot chart. We can do a clustered column or a stacked column. Let's just go this one. And you can see here you have sum of hectares, then you have your chart. Okay, so you have a chart. Click on this. Proportion of lot area in each bushfire risk category. Okay, now also let's sort it. Click on the row labels, sort options. So we can do a manual, we can drag items to rearrange them, or you could do ascending by sum of hectares. Okay, and you can see this has gone there, and you can also drag them if you want them that way. Put it there. Drag this one down. Sometimes it's a bit finicky dragging things in Excel. Low. And we want medium down. There. Okay, so we've now got it there. And now what you can actually do is you can click on each one. Just that one. You can go fill. And you can change the color to something more appropriate to very high. You can click there. Ew, no, I don't like that red. Let's just go more colors, custom, you can do standard, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Okay, that's even worse. Medium, fill, solid fill. Let's make it a sort of orangey color. Low. Make sure you've only got one ticked. What do we want for low? We can put like a light orange, and we can do very low and just make it green or something. It's up to you how you choose to do it. There, lovely. Okay, you can also add labels. You can label fields, add data labels, and you can choose where to put the data labels. You can make your chart wider. You can put them above, so data labels, inside end. Or you could choose not to put data labels. Then what you can do here is you can actually click on this, go hide all value field buttons, hide all axis field buttons, save, and then you can go right click, you can copy it, or you can export it as an image. Easy peasy.